to my channel, Sarah Saltmeyer, which is me. Hey guys, this is 1000% true. I heard a really scary sound. It sounded like a black woman saying, "You better not mess with me." Let me tell you the story. So I was just sitting in the car. I got bored. So I played on my tablet. Oh god. And so I got really bored. I played on my tablet and I got Slow Pro or something like that. Yeah, it's called Slow Mo Pro. And so I was just playing and playing. And then I pressed the video and I did this. So I did that face. So I was just like on my tab. And I had earplugs in so I couldn't hear anything else in my tab. So I was just like, I made the face. I'm like, oh, I made the little 3-second video. I was like, da da da. And then I watched it. So I took my earplugs out. And then back in. And I'm just like, and then once I heard it, I was like, who's that? And if you subscribe, then you'll come to my webpage and you scroll down, you see all the videos I made, so what? And then you see one called The Sound that I'm gonna post in a minute. And it shows the sound and what I did. So I'm just listening to this 3-second video. And after I heard the video, I'm like, what was that? So I think my mom got in a fight. So it was like, you better not mess with me. Let me see if I can play the soundtrack. Okay, I can't. So it's about 3 seconds. It's called The Sound. It is all capital. It was creepy. Did I just hear? No, I did not just hear that. I did not. If you heard something like that, it sounded like the Slenderman blackout thing. And if he comes. Oh gosh, that's actually wrecking the countertop. Sorry. Leaving marks on it. So that sound was, who or what was that sound? Most likely a who. Let's think about that. So you comment down below. And you comment if it was white or black. I would vote for black. So